All right, we're solving more equations for a given variable. So here we go. We have circumference equals 2 pi r, and we're solving it for r. Okay, so the 2 and the pi is connected to r. Wow, excuse me. Sorry about that. There we go. That's better. The 2 and the pi and the r are connected by multiplication. So you can take them both out in one swing, divide both sides by 2 pi. 2 cancels, pi cancels. R is by itself. The r, the radius, is going to equal the circumference divided by 2 pi. Look at that. Not too bad, right? You can do the same thing as I can. Okay, next move. The perimeter equals 2 lengths plus 2 width. Let's solve it for W. Okay, we need to get U alone. All right. So first thing, I probably want to get rid of these 2 lengths. Minus 2 lengths. Goodbye. Perimeter minus 2 lengths is going to equal 2 widths. All right. Now the next move, I got to divide everything by 2. And this would be the long way. I would normally shortcut this and divide each piece by 2 because I don't like to write it this way. Anyway, the width is by itself. P divided by 2 would be the perimeter chopped in half. You could also say half perimeter. Okay. Minus 2 divided by 2 would be 1, so minus a length. All right. So again, I don't like writing it this way. I probably would have written it better this way, but I kind of want to show you what some other people think it should look like. Minus 2L over 2. There we go. So this turns into this. So P over 2 is P over 2, or half P, I guess you could say. These 2's would cancel, so there's the minus L. That's what W equals right there. All right. Area formula of a circle. Where are all these formulas coming from? Some common math formulas. You got a question right here. So you might want to do some matching, I think, in Schoology. The area equals pi r squared. We're going to solve for r. Okay, so we got a square, and then we have a pi. We got to get rid of those things. So what's more powerful? The square is more powerful. First thing you want to get rid of is the pi symbol. Okay, goodbye. Or I guess it's the symbol for pi. Pi is a number. Some people might get mad at me for saying that. I'm going to rewrite it, make it look a little more pretty here. Okay. Now, how do you get rid of a square? Easy. Square root both sides. Boom. Okay. This is going to make that cancel. The radius is going to equal the square root. Now, it goes over everything, so it's the square root of the area divided by pi. So make sure your radical symbol goes over all of that stuff. It's not just the square root of A. It's the square root of this. So that might help you remember to put it all in there. All right. Last one. We're going to solve the Celsius, Celsius and Fahrenheit formula, and we're going to solve it for Fahrenheit. So this is how you would find Celsius if you're given Fahrenheit. So we, here in America, we would throw in a number, do some math, and we calculate the Celsius. But you can also reverse this formula and solve it the other way. All right, so let's solve for F. Okay, so this minus 32 is in the bracket, so it's more powerful. Excuse me, it's more powerful than the 5/9. Sorry, that's too many F's and my lisp is killing me. Let's get rid of this 5/9. So I'm going to rewrite it here really quick. C equals 5/9 times, slow down brain, minus 32. Okay, so let's get rid of 5/9 times 9/5 times 9/5. Again, reciprocals, friends. 5's cancel, 9's cancel. So we have 9/5 C equaling F minus 32. All right, last move. Let's add 32 to both sides. How am I doing this so fast? I'm just following the rules, students. 9/5 C plus 32. And as I say, I'm following the rules. I wrote this one backwards. Good job, goofball. All right, so I'm just following my disconnect rules. I'm just trying to get rid of the weakest connections first. It gets kind of messy because there's more than one variable involved. Okay, when there's more than one variable, things get kind of messy. Just follow the rules, simplify where you can, and then make sure you put things in the right order. Okay, so that's solving formulas for alternate variables.